Hey everyone! So today you're going to learn how to play another multiplication game. It's called Multiplication Dice. So what you need is you need those dice that was inside of your materials bag. So go ahead and go grab those now. If you've not picked up your materials yet, make sure you come to the school and come grab them so that you can play all these fun games. So also with this game, you're also going to need a partner. And just like before, if there's somebody at home that's fourth grade or up, you can play with them. I'm sure they'd love to take a break and play a game if mom and dad are available, or if there's another person that's able to. Otherwise, just like how I did last time, I'm in an empty room, so unfortunately there's nobody here to play with me, but I've got my trusty friend Bessie over here that's going to play with me. So I'll show you how it's done. So find a partner, find those dice, and I'll see you real soon. All right, so I've got my partner, I've got my dice. So what you're gonna do to play this game is it's very similar to multiplication war, but you use dice instead. So the first thing you have to do is decide what dice you're gonna use. Are you gonna use the blue ones, which are your higher numbers? Are you gonna use the red ones, which are your smaller numbers? Are you gonna use a combination of both, one and one? You have to decide. So I decided that we're gonna do a combination of both. We're gonna use one blue and one red dice. So either Bessie can hold on to hers and I can hold on to mine, or we can share, whatever works. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna roll my two dice, and I'm gonna multiply these two numbers together. So I have 5 times 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. And Bessie's gonna give them a roll. All right, she has 5 times 3, which is 15. So what's the higher product? Bessie's. It's 15 versus my 10. So what happens is Bessie gets a point. And you can keep score on a piece of paper or whiteboard, and you can just make a little T-chart like this and put B for Bessie and M for Miss Mulville like so. And then you can keep score that way. There's lots of different ways of keeping score out there, but that's the easiest way. And then you and your partner will have to decide what are you going to go up to. So a good number is to go up to, okay, the first one who gets to 10 wins. So we're going to keep going back and forth and back and forth. Whoever has the highest product is going to put a little tally mark underneath their name, and whoever gets to 10 first wins. Pretty simple game, and it works on your multiplication facts, which are something that's really good to know quickly, which is why we're playing this game. So have some fun playing multiplication dice today.